two products. One is real estate intelligence platform. The other is the predictive sales analytics tool for uh, for asset management industry. And they're a big organization. So as a big global organization, they have some global or organizational wide priorities, and that informs their organizational strategy. So as part of that organizational strategy, they have come up with three themes for the next year. And those themes are: we want to diversify across multiple industries, we want to improve our customer centric innovation, and we want to operationalize, or we want to increase our operational efficiency through technology. And of course, because they have a strategy, they have a roadmap in mind to deliver on this strategy. And so, as a company, the chief product officer of that company has created a skeleton of a roadmap, a company wide roadmap for the whole company. And then each product is expected to follow that roadmap. So this roadmap template, this blueprint, acts as a guide to all the products that are currently um, part of their portfolio. So let's go ahead and see how the real estate sales intelligence platform is using this. So if we go to the product roadmap of real estate intelligence platform, you will see that all the themes that have been defined at the organizational level are automatically part of the roadmap, because these are global themes. They are very important. This is the organizational strategy. So the product must keep this in mind as they plan their roadmap. So those themes will always show up, and they will always show up on top. Now, product may have other themes of their own, such as we have some technical debt, or we need to make some UX improvements, which are quite local to the product. They're not global, but still very important. And they can also plan those in their roadmap. So this way, they can align with the global priorities of the organization, while also not losing the focus on the priorities of their product. Now, in this, they can start pulling in stuff from their objectives. So they can start planning objectives into this roadmap. So, for example, expand market reach objective that the product has is about diversification across industries. And let's say they want to do this in Q1 of the current roadmap, or of the next year. And then the objective of increased customer retention is for customer centric innovation. And let's say that they want to focus on it on Q2 of next year, and it's part of the theme too. So they will pull that in. And then let's say this is an objective about operational optimizing product adoption, and they want to pull that in into Q3. Now, as soon as they do this, the organizational roadmap will change, and it will start reflecting there. So if I go to my organizational roadmap, you can already see that objective one is already there. So currently we are looking at only theme one. And so I can see that, okay, for theme one, real estate intelligence is doing something. And one of their the objective that they are fulfilling for theme one, or objective that is connected to theme one, is expand market research by targeting mid-sized companies. For theme two, we can see that real estate intelligence is going to do something in quarter two. And for theme three, they're going to see it in quarter three. Now, let's say productive sales analytics also has a strategy, and they will also see the same roadmap, the organization wide roadmap on their roadmap. And they can also start pulling in objectives. So let's say that they want to diversify, so they are working on some industry specific predictive models, which are not related to assets but some other industries. And then for theme 2 also they have an objective, and for theme 3 also they have an objective. And let's say that they are going to work on both these objectives in Q2 and they don't have anything planned in Q3. So now if we go to organizational roadmap, we will see that both these products are being shown on the roadmap. And you can see that in theme 1, yeah, one product is had some objectives in Q1, and another product has some objectives in Q2. And for theme 2 as well, they have objectives. And for theme 3, one product has objectives in midterm, while the other product has objectives in Q2. So they are getting an overview of the whole roadmap right from the organizational roadmap. So for the leadership, it becomes super easy to understand who is working on where and what, and not just leadership. You can give access to this particular screen to whoever it is useful to, and they all will be able to see what is planned, what are we planning to do for each of these things. Also, when you go inside a theme, you will see that you can already start. You can see all the product objectives for that individual theme as children of this theme, and you can also start adding some key results that you want to track as part of that theme. So for example, for diversification across industries, we could have a key metric such as number of customers in non-primary industry, let's say. And then you can start, and let's say we want to have minimum 20 customers like that or more, and you can measure that over a period of time, and you can create this metric, and then anyone who comes to this screen can start tracking this. And you can also say we want to have this by end of the year, let's say, or say and you can start adding current values here. um, so that way you can track not only the theme but also the key results of the theme from your dashboard, and everyone can then see them.